What are the risks of sleep apnea?
Sleep apnea is left undiagnosed. It can be quite dangerous. It can actually shorten your lifespan and lead to sudden death. Some of the significant health issues from undiagnosed sleep apnea: people can develop hypertension, they can have higher incidence of heart disease, they can have a much higher incidence of depression. It can have a significant impact on quality of life as well. You just don't feel well, you don't have a lot of motivation, you just feel tired all the time.
Sinusitis. We know how to treat it.